Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, especially on my Tesla car. If you have Tesla car, so this video is very important for you. I'm purchasing one of the accessories, and that accessory's name is Tesla Model 3 front bumper lip spoiler V-style splitter ABS body kit. Product price is 1307 Danish krona. I already added my referral link in video description. Now we can do unboxing. Now I just simply open the box. They are providing some stickers and some clips. So this is the first part. Double tape they are providing, like a glue double tape. So this one can fix very easily and grip strong lifelong. It's really nice. Now second one is a little long. Let's see. Okay. It's really nice. Some of the hole is available, so you should use this screw they are providing. And this one is the third one. So yeah, this one. The accessory finishing like this. First of all, we can fix one by one. For this accessory, just only this side is tape, and apart from that we need to put it those screw, and you won't need some other tape, so they are providing the extra tape also. So now we can go outside and fix this accessories. So first of all, I clean this one. Clean properly. Then after, I will show you one by one how exactly look like. Look at this. This is the grip. We want to remove this one first of all. Here is the screwdriver, and you should remove. You can very easily remove like this. And after that, the first one we can fix here the properly. And make sure you do the measurement as well. Like this. Little space and then fix. So first of all, I just simply open the stickers, removing the sticker. You need to strong nail you have, so I just simply open this one and second this one. Perfect. Now make sure this hole comes in the bottom of hole. We just remove the strips from them, so make sure. So first of all, we can doing like this. Perfectly fine. We are receiving from this pocket the box, and you should put it like this. I will show you exactly. Pressurize properly, and like this. The last one, pressurize properly, and like this. So the grip and finishing very nice as it is. So make sure remove the sticker first of all. Now 1 2 3 4 and then 5. This is properly. Make sure this hole comes in the perfect direction, so accordingly you should fix this one. So first of all, we are not fix like this one, that position, and stress little bit here, so we can cover like here, or you should cover like from here the first position, and perfect. Make sure this position properly, otherwise entire look is damaged. Yes, I am fixing like this, so this is the right situation of this one. Look at this. So coming from here, I put it here, extra tape as well. Now I remove this. So now I just simply remove the sticker. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I remove entire sticker properly. I added here the extra one, and make sure you start from this corner, select from here, perfect. Last portion I just fixed those screw we received from the company. This is the final outcome of my car. So first of all I will show you from here. So look at this. This is the corner, look like very nice. After that, and here as well. So it is very nice, good quality. I really happy to see totally change of look, like a sporty look of the car. This is the entire process, unboxing to installation. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. If you want purchase this product, link is available on video description. If you really like this video unboxing installation, so before leaving please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.